welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to fish one of the local lochs. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to start off with some bad news. I found out a couple of weeks ago that Lana's got lymphoma. Unfortunately, there's no treatment, so the vet thinks at best she's just got a few months left, maybe not even that. So for the next few weeks, I'm not going to be fishing anywhere that's up the top of hills or too much walking, so that Lana can still come with us. She's doing pretty well just now. She's on steroids, but that's just to help her out, to keep her strong for a little while at least. Obviously, I'm absolutely gutted. But I'm just going to do my best to make sure that our last little bit of time is as good as it can be. Sorry to start the video off on a bit of a low, but hopefully we can get some fish and have some fun. The plan was to fish the loch, but I couldn't resist having a couple of casts in this pool in the river, just upstream from the loch. I've heard there's sometimes char in this pool. I don't know a lot about char, but I've heard they like bright flies, so I put on the brightest fly I had, as well as a little nymph on the point. Casting was a little bit awkward, with the high bank and trees behind me. I was having to cast backhand. I made a mess on this cast, with the line landing in a heap, but it worked out pretty well. Fish on! I think that was my worst cast yet. Better been lucky than good though. Just took them in. Not a bad wee trout. Little barbless nymph. Quite a solid wee fish. Away he goes. I hadn't been to the shops, so Lana had to make do with an omelette instead of pies this time. After giving her a treat, we headed down to the loch. I changed over to a bloody butcher and quite a big black pennel with a gold head. I started off fishing at the inlet where the river joins the loch. I wasn't having any luck, so I changed locations and I changed over to a white lure fly on my intermediate setup. I did get one take on this, but I didn't hook up. We headed back to the river, and after playing with Lana, I noticed a few flies hatching off and some trout rising at the far bank. So I put on a March Brown dry fly. Got it on the first proper cast. Whoa! Just about jumped into my waders there. Beautiful. So that worked out really well. Another one. I hope the other camera caught that jump. Another one. Came about 4 feet out of the water. Oh, and he's away. Ah, I missed him. Got him. Smallest one yet. Oh, come on, bud. There was a fish rising over at the other side. I did have a few casts at it, but there was so much swirling water between me and the fish, I couldn't get a good drift on that side. Got him. Whoa! So acrobatic in here. No fish from the loch, but this waterfall pool saved the day. We got a great number of fish, and it's always fun to catch them on the dry fly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers.